Can you remember what your New Year's resolution was this year? What about last year? And how about the year before? And have you ever noticed how the first week of January every year, the gym is absolutely packed, and then by the end of February, it's back to normal? Does that mean that everyone achieved their New Year's resolution in just a few weeks? It would be great if that were the case. Unfortunately, as we all know, it's not. For many, losing weight can be one of the most challenging, frustrating things you ever try to do. Well, it's time for a change. For the first time ever, thousands of people around the world are finally getting real weight loss results with the Skinny Fiber 90-Day Challenge. So what makes Skinny Fiber so much different, so much better than every other weight loss product? The challenge with most weight loss programs is that they focus on one of two things: eating less and moving more. While diet and exercise are always important to your health, the number one reason people struggle to lose weight is that your body is just not in a condition where losing weight is healthy. Here's the thing. While you may look at fat as a bad thing, your body sees it as a vital part of its being. Every organ of our body needs fat to survive. It regulates our body temperature, cushions and insulates our heart, liver, and kidneys, and even regulates our hormones. Your body is built to do everything it can to protect itself. That includes protecting one of the most important things that protect it: fat. So, until your body knows that it will still be healthy without all of that fat to protect it, losing weight is almost impossible. Until now. Being called the best weight management product of the year by thousands of satisfied customers around the world, Skinny Fiber is the first and only product of its kind packed with nutrient-rich enzymes designed to help get your body in a position where it is ready to lose weight. Enzymes are like the spark of life in every cell in your body. Your heart, lungs, liver, eyes, skin, glands, every organ, tissue, and cell in your body depends on enzymes for every process and function. These enzymes help prevent disease, keep us youthful, increase our energy, break down our food, and so much more. The challenge is that most of us are not getting enough enzymes from our food to properly digest what we eat. This enzyme deficiency causes our food not to digest completely, which leads to toxins in our body, new fat forming, and a weaker immune system, all of which makes losing weight very difficult, no matter how much we diet and exercise. Not anymore. Not only is Skinny Fiber packed with enzymes to get your body in a position where it's healthy and ready to lose weight, it's also the first and only product on the market to include 3 of the world's most powerful weight loss ingredients. Just take 2 Skinny Fiber capsules with a glass of water 30 minutes before large meals, and the powerful enzymes start going to work to get your body ready to start shedding those extra pounds. Then our other ingredients start kicking in. First, with all-natural dietary fiber glucomannan, Skinny Fiber expands in your stomach, which could help make you feel full even before you start eating. Second, pure Caralluma extracts are believed to be one of nature's best appetite suppressants to help you eat less and curb your cravings. And third, Chá de Bugre, the best-kept Brazilian secret to supporting a healthy weight. Chá de Bugre is believed to have the ability to gently energize your metabolism and to help support healthy energy levels. The best part is, every ingredient in Skinny Fiber is 100% pure and all-natural. With no harmful drugs or chemicals to worry about, Skinny Fiber is not only the most effective product on the market, it's also the safest and most healthy for your body. Are you up for the challenge? If you're ready to finally say goodbye to those extra pounds and join the thousands of people around the world who are calling Skinny Fiber the best product ever, then you are ready to take on our 90-day challenge. The rules are simple. Order your Skinny Fiber today and take a picture of how you look now before your weight loss challenge. We'll set you up with a free weight loss tracking system so you can weigh yourself each day, record your results, and also see the results of others who are taking the challenge with you. After 90 days, email us your results. Anyone who accomplishes the challenge and sticks with it for a full 90 days will win an awesome Skinny Body Care t-shirt and a certificate of achievement that you can frame and be proud of. Plus, the 3 people who lose the most in any 90-day period will each receive a $1,000 cash bonus on top of all the other exciting awards. Just because it's not January anymore doesn't make it too late to start a new New Year's resolution. No matter how many other diet or weight loss programs you may have tried, Skinny Fiber is being used by men and women from all ages, backgrounds, and body types as a safe, natural way to help manage and support a healthy body. Order your Skinny Fiber today and make this the last year you ever have to have the same New Year's resolution.